Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap here and select continuous shot. You can select 5, 20 or 40 shots. Let's select 40, that's a lot. And now let's try to take it. So all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that continuous shot will start. So let's just try it out. Such a nice sound. Okay, saving 23 pictures. This might take some time. And as you can see now, here we can review all these continuous shots and select the one that fits you best. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.